Today we are making double chocolate overnight oats. If you struggle getting a balanced breakfast or feel rushed in the morning, this recipe is for you. I would say the secret ingredient is this Greek yogurt. It adds a little bit of protein, but also some creaminess, which makes it even more delicious. One of the things I like to do is make this recipe in a measuring cup, and then it's easily able to pour into the mason jars. Well, let's get to it. Well, there you have it, double chocolate overnight oats. This recipe is perfectly balanced. We have protein from our Greek yogurt and our protein powder. We have carbs from the Greek yogurt and the oats, and some healthy fat from chia seeds. For this recipe and so many more, check out healthysubsnutrition.com.